Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you how to enable and disable the child locks. So the child locks, the purpose of child locks is to disable the interior door handles so children cannot open the doors while you are driving. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now, to enable the child locks, first you want to open the sliding door, then proceed to the back of the door here, and you will see like a small person, unlock and lock symbol. Now, to enable child locks, you just want to push this like small black knob to the right, and that's it. And once you close the door, you will not be able to open the door from the inside, but the exterior door handle will still work. To disable them, just put it back to the starting position. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.